Today, the latest on Sam Bankman-Fried's criminal case. Crypto mining company Core Scientific files for bankruptcy. And Primit Parikh of Transphorm discusses new ways to cut down on crypto's energy use. Welcome to CNBC's Crypto World. I'm Tanea McKeel. Crypto prices in the red today, reversing course from yesterday. As of noon Eastern, Bitcoin stayed below the $17,000 level. Ether traded around $1,200 and Solana dropped to about $12. Let's talk about the top stories. First, Sam Bankman-Fried was in court in the Bahamas again today, arriving the morning after signing legal papers paving the way for his extradition to the U.S. Citing the Bahamas' acting commissioner of corrections, Reuters reported that SBF signed the documents around noon yesterday. Today's proceeding is expected to set the stage for SBF's departure from the Bahamas after a couple of confusing days in court over the status of his extradition. His U.S. attorneys declined to comment to CNBC. The former billionaire was indicted last week and now faces federal fraud charges as well as civil suits from the SEC and CFTC. SBF has publicly acknowledged risk management failures at the crypto exchange he founded, but said he does not believe he has criminal liability. As of noon Eastern, Bankman-Fried was still in the Bahamas, but of course we will keep you updated on the latest developments in tomorrow's show. Next, the creditors of Genesis and its parent company, Digital Currency Group, or DCG, have a proposal to resolve liquidity issues. That's according to Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss, who tweeted that a creditor committee, which includes his crypto exchange, presented a plan to, quote, provide a path for the recovery of assets. He added that the plan is based on information received from Genesis, DCG, and their respective advisors to date. The committee expects an initial response this week. In February of last year, Gemini partnered with Genesis to create a lending platform that allowed users to lend out their crypto in exchange for interest payments of up to around 7%. Last month, Genesis suspended withdrawals amid the market turmoil following FTX's collapse. The Financial Times reported earlier this month that Genesis and DCG owe Gemini customers $900 million. And finally, one of the largest publicly traded crypto mining companies in the U.S. filed for bankruptcy protection this morning. A person familiar with Core Scientific's finances told CNBC. Core Scientific mines for proof-of-work cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, and the process involves powering data centers across the country, requiring expensive equipment and a lot of electricity. The person familiar with the situation says the company still generates positive cash flow, but that's not enough to repay the financing debt owed on equipment it's leasing. Core Scientific plans to continue mining while repaying debt holders. The stock is down 98% this year as the rising cost of energy and plunging crypto prices have challenged the mining industry. All right, on to our main story. And sticking with mining, Crypto World's Talia Kaplan spoke with Primit Parikh, the co-founder of Transphorm, a company tailoring power devices to crypto mining applications. He discussed energy efficiency and his company's contributions to the complex crypto mining industry. Take a listen.
So your company provides gallium nitride devices for crypto mining systems. Can you talk about how this works? And what do you say are the benefits associated with using gallium nitride, especially from an energy usage standpoint?
Yes, so Transphorm, trading as ticker symbol TGAN on the NASDAQ, is the pioneer and leading manufacturer of gallium nitride power semiconductors, a disruptive next-generation semiconductor technology that is completely changing the game of how energy-efficient power conversion is done. From adapters and fast chargers powering your laptops, to data server power, to computing, to blockchain and crypto mining, the focus of our talk here, to renewable energy and electric vehicles. No matter all of these applications, gallium nitride and Transphorm is saving energy in every power conversion. And the way we do it with our proprietary gallium nitride architecture is by the gallium nitride operating at much faster, 5 times, 10 times faster than traditional silicon semiconductors. And in doing so, doing with extremely low loss or wasted electrical energy as heat. This in turn enables the complex crypto mining or any cryptocurrency mining, Bitcoin mining power rigs to run very efficiently 24/7.
So what are some of the biggest mining power challenges in your view?
It's a very computationally intensive process. And the weird thing about mining is the more number of users are mining, the more electrical energy and more power is required to mine. And these computers, the servers behind these rigs, behind the scenes, are on 24/7. So not only they are using electricity 24/7, and by the way, the electricity consumed by mining even today is bigger than some entire countries like Argentina or Sweden, and it can reach 1% of the total world energy consumption in the future.
So, from a broader outlook, what is your vision for 2023 as it pertains to Bitcoin mining and crypto mining?
So we hope to increase our shipments. Our role in crypto mining is to make it more energy efficient. So as crypto mining and any other power conversion applications become more energy hungry, we hope to increase our number of customers worldwide and increase the penetration in blockchain computing and crypto mining, because 1% energy savings, 1% can mean 250 kilowatt hours for just one crypto mining rig. Just in 2022, we believe we enabled save 50,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide emission with transform energy efficient gallium nitride. And we hope to significantly improve on that, enabling our customers and enabling the world to save electrical energy in crypto mining and other power conversion applications.
So, for the past few months, Bitcoin miners have been dealing with rising electricity costs and the lower price of Bitcoin. And recent data from miningpoolbtc.com shows that the difficulty of mining a Bitcoin block dropped by more than 7%, with miners turning off machines as the bear market hits profit. Now, according to the data, the adjustment at block height of around 766,000 is the biggest downward change since July 2021. What is your reaction to this?
So one of the key things about Transphorm is, first of all, we are well diversified into a variety of power applications, right? So similar kind of power supplies go everywhere else. The other part of the equation is, as Bitcoin mining, as you said, the price decreases, as it becomes more challenging, the value of energy efficiency becomes even more important, right? Think about it. Electricity is one of the bigger costs in Bitcoin mining, in crypto mining. And at the end of the day, as the price increases, what you can save in that power supply, in that mining rig, gets even more important as the price becomes challenging.
And one last thing, the head of India's central bank warned yesterday that the next financial crisis will be caused by private cryptocurrencies if the assets are allowed to grow. Shaktikanta Das said his main concern is that crypto lacks any underlying value. He called cryptocurrencies speculative and argued that they should be banned.
Cryptocurrencies have certain huge inherent risks for our macroeconomic and financial stability. And we have been pointing it out. And the developments over the last 1 year, including the latest episode of the built around this FTX, I think after all this, I don't think we need to say anything more about our stand. I think the time has proved that cryptocurrencies are worth what they are today.
His comments come as the central bank pursues its own digital version of the Indian rupee. Okay, that's all for Crypto World today, but we'll be back again tomorrow, so we'll see you then.